So you're ready to delete your Telegram account. Before you do, there are a few things you absolutely need to know, because this isn't like just deleting an app off your phone. We're talking about a permanent erasure of your data, and once it's gone, it is gone for good. I'm going to walk you through everything for every platform, your browser, iPhone, Android, and PC, to make sure you do it right. We'll cover backing up your data so you don't lose precious memories, what permanently truly means, and the two different ways you can say goodbye to your account. First, let's be crystal clear about what permanently delete means for your Telegram account. There's no turning back. Unlike other platforms that might give you a 30-day grace period, Telegram's deletion is instant and final. So what do you actually lose? First off, all your messages are gone. Every chat, every voice note, every link you've ever shared in one-on-one conversations will be wiped from Telegram's cloud, and this can't be undone. Second, all your media gets erased. Every photo, video, and document you've ever sent or received that's stored in the cloud will be gone. If you haven't saved these files somewhere else, they're lost forever. We often use messaging apps as accidental archives of our lives, and deleting your account without a backup means throwing that archive away. Third, you'll be removed from every single group and channel you're a part of. To your friends, your profile will just say deleted account. They'll still see the messages you sent in group chats, but they won't be linked to you. Now, what about the groups and channels you created? This is a huge one. If you're the founder of a group, deleting your account orphans it. The group will exist without a creator, and any admins you appointed will keep their roles, but the founder's permissions are lost forever. Even if you make a new account with the same phone number, you won't get ownership back. It becomes a ship without a captain. If you want to delete a group you created, you have to do it manually before deleting your account. To put it simply, there's no deactivation, no recovery window, and no oops button. When you hit delete, you're telling Telegram to erase your digital footprint on their platform, and they take that instruction seriously. Given that this is a one-way street, taking a few minutes to back up your data isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Think of it as packing your important belongings before you move out. Telegram has a built-in data export tool, but here's the catch. It's only available on the Telegram desktop application. You can't do this from your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. You'll need to download and log in to the Telegram app on a Windows PC or a Mac. Once you've got the desktop app open, the process is pretty straightforward. First, click on the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. A side menu will pop out. Next, head over to Settings, and from there, look for Advanced. Inside the Advanced settings, you'll find the Export Telegram Data option. This is your gateway to saving everything. When you click it, a detailed window pops up giving you total control over what you save. You can pick your account info, contact list, personal chats, private groups, public channels, you name it. You can also select media like photos, videos, and files. You can choose to save the data in formats like readable HTML or machine-readable JSON. After you've made your selections, just hit the export button. This can take a while if you have years of chat history, so be patient. When it's done, you'll have a folder on your computer with all your data, neatly organized and ready for you to browse anytime. Now, what if you don't have a desktop computer? You'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. Go through your most important chats on your phone and manually save any photos, videos, or files you can't bear to part with. It's a bit tedious, but it's way better than losing them forever. The most important thing to know is that this process happens through a web browser, not inside the Android or desktop app. This is the hidden step that trips most people up. First, open any web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, it doesn't matter, and go to my.telegram.org/delete. You'll see a simple login screen asking for your phone number. You have to enter it in the full international format, meaning your country code first, then your number. After you click Next, Telegram will send you a confirmation code. Now pay close attention because this is key. For security, the code is sent as a message inside your Telegram app, not as an SMS text. You'll need to open Telegram to find a message from the service itself containing your code. Copy that code, head back to your browser, paste it into the confirmation code field, and click Sign In. This brings you to the final screen. Delete your account. It will ask you why you're leaving, you can skip this, and give you one last stern warning about what you're about to do. It will remind you that all your messages and contacts will be deleted beyond retrieval. Read this warning one last time. Take a brief breath. If you are absolutely certain, click the Delete My Account button. A final pop-up will ask, Are you sure? This is it. Click the red Yes, Delete My Account button. And that's it. Your account and all its cloud data are immediately and permanently gone. For iPhone users, there is an in-app alternative. You can go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and under the If Away For section, you'll see a Delete Account Now button. Tapping this will walk you through similar confirmations to get the same result. What if you're not ready to pull the plug right this second? Telegram has a slow burn option built right into the app on all platforms, the automatic self-destruct feature. This is great for anyone who might be leaving the app but isn't 100% sure or just wants to make sure an inactive account doesn't sit around forever. Here's how it works. You can tell Telegram to automatically delete your account if you're inactive for a certain amount of time. To set it up, open your Telegram app and go to Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. In this menu, scroll down to the Delete My Account section, which has an option called If Away For. When you tap this, you'll get a few choices for the inactivity period: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Just pick the time frame you want. For example, if you choose 1 month and you don't log in for that entire period, Telegram will automatically delete your account. Everything will be permanently erased, just like with the manual method. This feature is like a dead man switch. The default is often 6 months, so it's a good privacy practice to check this setting anyway. If you change your mind within your chosen time frame, just log back in. That resets the timer, and your account is safe. But once that clock runs out, the deletion is just as final. Deleting a digital account can feel like a big decision, but by following this guide, you can do it with confidence, knowing you're in control and not leaving any important memories behind. If this video helped you out, a thumbs up would be awesome, as it really helps the channel. For more clear and simple tech guides like this one, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.